Hey, welcome to my room and my roomie. Here is where we have the toilet, just in the beginning of our room. We share only my roomie and me. This is where we take also the shower. And it's really before the wedding. Maybe it's small, but it's the necessary spot we need. Here is where we put our clothes, our closet, our shoes. And here we have like our zone when we can study, our tables, our chairs that they were here when we arrived. So it's really nice. This is when I put my stuff, my Mexican flag and my Mexican candies. This is my roomie stuff also. He knows how to play the guitar, so he have one. We have a really good view from here, from the 5th floor. And it's really nice, the view. We have our beds in the top of the room. That's where we sleep. They are perfect, they are so comfortable. Most of the time we pass the time outside the room, so it's not that big deal to be here. We slept really good. Me and my room is sleeping here. This is my bed. And we have a little table with a nice scent, so the room can smell a little bit good. We are so happy that we have this view. We have this balcony where we spend time with our neighbors, and we have this incredible view. We really love to spend time here.